Check this out. Quick little message. It's a quick story actually. So something I've learned since I've been gardening and working in the yard, I've noticed every season there's a new demon. I'm talking about every time, especially if you're in an uncontrolled environment. I've been trying my best not to fence off my yard and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Because I like nature. But I've noticed that every year I got something different to fight. Every time I make progress in my garden, something always comes from nature and takes advantage of that. You know what I'm saying? Whether if it's bugs, squirrels, or whatever. But now I got a problem. I got a deer problem. You feel me? I got this big buck that's been coming through my yard, eating all my new vegetation. You know what I'm saying? I got some new flowers, my peonies I'm planting. I also have some zinnias or whatever, however you pronounce it. I'm talking about this big buck. I see his antlers coming through the top. He just coming through, eating all my stuff up. You know what I'm saying? And if anybody knows me, I don't let that slide. Instead of him coming to me, I'm going to bring the fight to him. You feel me? So I work too hard for my garden for me to be able to, for him to just come through. And he eating my roses up too. You feel me? He eating up my knockout roses. I just planted some of these. So it's time for me to take my yard back. You dig what I'm saying? This ain't no buffet, fam. I worked too hard for this. You feel me? It's time to go to war. And all this stuff that I'm putting on, this for the mosquitoes. This ain't even got nothing to do with the deer. Because what I'm about to do is I saw online I can make an invisible fence. I'm about to tie some fishing string up around perimeter or whatever, make an invisible fence. I got some deer repellent, you feel me? Some of that stuff. I'm finna put some of this out. I'm just gonna do a deterrent. I ain't gonna kill them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no savage, you feel me? But y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you how it played out. Wish me luck.